Hi, my name is Kunal Nikam. I'm from Pune. I would like first of thank to eVision team. He gained a valuable project and knowledge from the team. I completed my Bachelor of Degree Savitribai Phule University Pune. After completing my graduation, I have searching number of job opportunity everywhere, but I could not find the right opportunity. After attending the eVision team, I want to join eVision team, and then I joined up. I got placed in Progress Infotech. They provide me a lot of knowledge, excellent training, and the teaching method was very good and helped me learn any new things professionally. I sincerely thank eVision and entire team for supporting and guiding me in my career journey.